It performed automated and highly consistent medical image segmentation. To ensure high accuracy, we've trained it on over 500 CT dataset, and we plan to expand this database further to get improved accuracy. And this includes also 3D simulation-based planning. Surgeons can interactively visualize patient anatomy and simulate different implant options, even before the production. You can see this. Here you can find the post-op simulation for rhinoplasty. This supports precise pre-op planning and boosts confidence as well. And before and after visualization, one of the biggest patient pain point is uncertainty about result. With the face-on, patient can see a realistic comparison, improving understanding and trust. Yep, and last part is order management and seamless communication. We are building an integrated system that connects between surgeons and FITme engineers, then between surgeons and patients. And our ultimate goal to evolve this into a virtual surgical planning assistant. Predictive simulations for likely outcomes, AI recommendation for best implant shape and size. This transforms surgical planning into collaborative, data-driven process. All right, let's wrap up here. Actually, ready-made implants are limited. They simply cannot match unique anatomy. Customization is the future, and FITme is making it practical and scalable. By combining 3D printing and automated scripting, we have delivered for over 30,000 patients safely. And now, with AI-powered simulation, we are reimagining consultation, communication, and surgical planning. And where we are heading next, we are expanding into reconstructive surgery for trauma, oncology, and congenital deformities, and developing surgical guide to assist precision during surgical procedure, and innovating hybrid regenerative implant that merge structural support with bioactive healing. Actually, in summary, plastic surgery is evolving into a new era, driven by precision, personalization, and patient empowerment. And FITme is proud to be at the forefront of that transformation.